project, which is 6x6 layout for mini album scraps swap that I'm in, and it's a 5 to plus 1. Send 5 in and keep 1 for yourself. The theme is Twilight Saga, and it was to choose your favorite, well, maybe not even your favorite, but a quote from one of the movies and a picture to go along with it. So my choice was when Jacob and Bella were up on top of the mountain, and they kissed, and he finally said that should have been their first kiss. So that's the quote that I chose and the picture that I chose to do. So I did 6 of them, like I said. I'll show you them. They are actually all the same, other than the little tickets here are different on what they actually say. This one says adore, and then there's another one that says love, wish, dream, live, and hope. But other than that, everything is exactly the same. All the techniques and products that I used are all the same. So let's get started. I used corrugated board, which I actually were recycled pizza boxes. So I stripped the top layer off to expose the crinkly part of the board. I glimmer mist, painted, sprayed down. I did a lot of technique, not so much of a technique, but a lot of layering of with Martha Stewart paints in different colors, yellows and browns, and Lindy Stamp Gang's sprays. So I did that, let that dry. The paper collection that I used throughout the whole thing is Tattered Time. This is one of the pieces, and I also distressed it with my new Distress It All machine, which I absolutely love, and didn't know why I waited so long to get one, and I'm glad I did, because this would have taken me twice as long if I didn't have that machine, which I highly recommend. If you don't have it and you love distressing and the distress look, and you do a lot of it, and you need to do a lot of pages at a time, this is the perfect machine. Moving on, so I distressed them all. I used gathered twigs, shabby shutters, and black soot throughout either side, or both, using both or all 3 distress inks on the papers and the pictures and whatnot. So right here, in this top corner, we'll start. I did a little paper clip, which I distressed to make it darker with the gathered twigs, and this comes off, and this says adore, and then I wrote the actual quote on the back, and like I said, it says that should have been our first kiss, because that's what he said to her after they kissed on the mountain. So that just clips back on there. Moving down, I used Wild Orchid Craft closed rosebuds to right here distress them with the gathered twigs. Used a Prima flower, which I actually painted with the water and the distress inks, and put a little bit of rock candy stickles on top to give it a little bit of a shine. Sorry about the focusing. I used this photo that I found online, printed them out on photo paper, and I just loved how it was like a collage of Jacob and Bella, and him being the wolf, and they're kissing, and I just distressed that, and layered it on top of one of these these Polaroid photo pages. It's like one sheet, and you can cut out, like, there's like 9 of them on one sheet. So I cut that out and layered that on top of that. Used a little bit of Tim Holtz film strip die. I thought it'd be appropriate because of the movie, and just layered that underneath there. Did a lot of ripping and tucking and folding. So that's the first side, and then you flip it over. We were to decorate both sides. The other side, I made like a corner pocket here with some of the same line. I made this ticket with the same paper collection, just as some journaling lines on the back with the shabby shutters, and I put tied some seam binding that I colored also with the shabby shutters. Can you wait 1 second, honey? I'm doing a video. Okay, 1 second, okay? And I'm sorry about that. And this is one of the Tim Holtz metal flowers that I just bent up and put a black resin flower inside. Piece of burlap, and then I stamped a Stampendous stamp in the Brilliance White Moon ink. Open it up, and there's some journaling, and then I printed this picture of the Bella and Jacob kissing, and just layered it on some cardstock also. So I hope you enjoyed these. I enjoyed making them. Like I said, they're all the same, except for one says love, adore, this one says dream, live, wish, and last but not least, hope. So I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial on these. I worked really hard on them, and I hope the ladies really love receiving them. Thank you for watching.